Hello children, here we are in the last part of this lesson. Tansen, the magical musician. Are you all eager to know what happened to Tansen in Akbar's court? Before we start, let's recall the vocabulary list. First one, Garna. Second, imitate. Next, disciple. Fourth one, frighten. Fifth one, reluctantly. Sixth one, scroll. Try to remember these meanings, children. If you're unable to remember it, please go to your homework part. Now it's time for recapitulation. By seeing the talent of Tansen, Haridas took him as his disciple. So he went to Vrindavan with Haridas. Haridas was the first music teacher to Tansen. Before his father died, he told him to go and meet Muhammad Ghash. As per the wish of his father, he learnt music from Muhammad Ghash. Muhammad Ghash introduced Tansen to the ruler of Gwalior. They both became friends very soon. One day, Tansen received a message from King Ramachandra. From then on, he was in the court of King Ramachandra. When Akbar visited Rawa, he was impressed by the performance of Tansen. As soon as his return, he sent a message to Ramachandra requesting him to send Tansen to his court. So now Tansen is in the court of Akbar. Let's move on to today's class. The impressed Akbar wanted to honor Tansen, so he decided to include Tansen among his Navaratna, which means 9 jewels and the 9 outstanding talents of the royal court. Tansen not only performed in the court, but he also performed for the emperor. We already know that Tansen learned different types of ragas from Haridas, which will change the mood of the people. So, in night time, he sang the ragas which will help the emperor to sleep, and in the morning, he sang special ragas which would gently awaken the emperor. And it is also said that when Tansen sang, even animals and birds would gather to hear him. Children, read the heading Akbar's gift to Tansen. What was that gift? Why did he gift him? Let's see that now. One evening, the Emperor Akbar decided to visit Tansen. He visited him when he was singing and playing the tanpura. The emperor did not want to disturb him, so he sat on the veranda and he listened it fully. He was pleased by the performance, so he gifted his diamond necklace to Tansen. So everything was going very smooth. But see the heading here? Tansen was banished from the court, which means Tansen was sent out of the court. Why? What is the reason? Here is the reason. Some courtiers became jealous on Tansen, so they stole the diamond necklace which was given by Akbar to Tansen. And they said to the emperor that Tansen had stole the necklace for a lot of money. Here, you imagine a thing. You have gifted a costly pen to your friend for his birthday. But if he sells the pen, how do you feel? What would be your reaction? You would feel very angry, right? And the same way, here Akbar also flew into a rage, which means he got very angry. And he said to the Tansen that you will be banished from the court till you can present yourself wearing the necklace, which means you have to wear your necklace and come into the court. Until that, you are not allowed to enter into my court. Let's see what Tansen did next. Read the heading, children. Tansen went to King Ramachandra. As Tansen was not allowed to enter into the court, he went to King Ramachandra. He explained everything to him. After hearing the whole incident, he said, "Don't worry, just sing for me." So, Tansen sang 2 ragas for him. Then the king felt very happy and he said, You have brought me great joy. And he also presented him a jeweled sandals, which means jeweled slippers. When he received the jeweled sandals, he rushed back to Agra, where the Emperor Akbar lived. He placed the jeweled slippers in front of him and said, "Sir, please take the diamonds from these and forgive me." By this, Akbar understood that Tansen was not a money minded person. If he is really a money minded person, he would have not brought these jeweled sandals to me, which was much costlier than the diamond necklace. So he realized his mistake and said to him that your music is much more valuable than diamonds to me. I should never have doubted you. Return to the court as my royal musician. Tansen felt so happy by this. His fame spread far and wide around that place. At the same time, Tansen's enemies also grew more jealous. Children, here I want you to know about the two different ragas. The first one is Deepak Raga. Actually, this is the most difficult raga to sing. But if a singer sings it very perfectly, it would produce much heat. It may burn the body of the singer too. Next one is Megh Raga. If it is sung correctly, we can get downpour, which means rain. Akbar wanted Tansen to sing Deepak Raga. He was shocked by hearing this. He explained to the king that Deepak Raga can set the singer himself on fire. But Akbar was not ready to listen him. Then Tansen remembered about Megh Raga, which will bring rain. So he asked the help of Rupa, who was a disciple of his first music teacher, Haridas. With the permission of Haridas, Tansen trained Rupa to sing Megh. After 15 days, on the day of performance, the court was ready to see the performance of Tansen. As soon as the emperor sat on his throne, Tansen started. When he was singing, the surrounding air got warmer. The audience started to perspiring, which means they started to sweat. Leaves and flowers in the garden dried and fell to the ground. Water in the fountains began to boil. Birds flew away to escape. The lamps lit up and flames appeared in the air. People fled from the court to save their life. As the emperor stood up, a rose which he held in his hand drooped. The meaning of the word drooped is bent downwards. And Tansen's body was hot and feverish. Rupa understood the situation and began to sing Megh Raga. When she continued, rain came pouring down. After that, everything became normal. Even though the emperor was pleased, he was also shocked that he had almost lost his greatest musician to the fire of his own music. After this incident, the fame spread more and wide. Even today in Gwalior, near Tansen's tomb, a music festival is held. Musicians come here from all over the India to perform and to show their respect to Tansen. Here the story ends. I hope you all would have enjoyed this story. Thank you, children.